Two more techniques. Interested in learning?
Yes.
No? You like it? Like, don't laugh at it. Yeah, you like it. Yeah, like this guy, you are sitting, you don't have time, you have so much time, you don't have to do anything. You are sitting me to, ask me to sit here and do all this. You're sitting there since morning 6 o'clock. Yeah? Feeling sleepy? You want to eat something? Yes. Hungry, but sleep. So next one. Most of the people who attended the Vazhviyal, they know it. It's called Surya Tavam. Right? What is Surya Tavam? What is Surya Tavam? What is Surya Namaskar? Anybody knows? Do you know? Do you know how to do it? You want to give a demonstration? It's okay, whatever you know you can do. At least, see, most of the people don't know. You forgot everything? Anybody knows from you? Do you know Vishnu? You don't know? But they didn't teach you. But he didn't do that. By seeing the kids, we know how parents are. Alright? Surya Namaskar is a physical exercise. Right? And Surya Kriya. So always when you add Kriya into that comes with breathing. Okay? Surya Tavam, it's a simple thing. So somebody was telling that what is the problem when you don't have means no proper sunlight. That is a key. If you have a right sunlight, you won't have this problem. Most of the tropical areas are closer to the 23 degrees, closer to the equator. People living there, you know that 80%, 85% of the population living in the equator side, close to the equator. Right? Those people, they don't develop the constipation problems. Simply because they get exposed to the sunlight. I identified this one after 4 trips to India, which basically means 3 years. I was just wondering, the moment I came here, I get the constipation immediately, the day I landed here. The moment they land there in India, immediately next day it actually releases. I didn't know that initially. I thought like our food and our food. It's not about food. We are also eating the same food here. In fact, I am eating more, more healthier food here. Right? What happens there? The sunlight exposure. So the more you get sunlight, the next question asks, oh, the whole time, how do we get exposed to sunlight? It's okay behind the, it's exception. Right? We don't have a choice. It's better to be inside the class. Okay. So what do we need to do? And how to do it? So yeah. Kavya is something, what time? Until what time? I mean, when puja or anything? Right? So how to do it? Do you know what is called Brahma Muhurtam? In your calendar you see that. What is a Brahma Muhurtam? People say that, who see that, right? Between 4:30 to 6 o'clock. Is that the real Brahma Muhurtam? The Brahma Muhurtam is the one which is basically 48 minutes, which is Kunalini. 24 minutes before the sunrise and 24 minutes after the sunrise. This total 48 minutes is nothing but Brahma Muhurtam. Okay. So forget about the religion and all those things. Okay, let's follow the science. That's simple. So when you say that 25 minutes before, that's how you see. Have you ever seen the Lord Surya in the calendar and all? The chariot? Right? No? Go and see. You Google it, you'll find out. Right? So the Lord Surya is sitting on the chariot and he has 7 horses. And who's another guy sitting in the chariot? A small guy sitting in the chariot who drives the chariot. Do you know who it is? His name is Aruna.
What?
Aruna.
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 Aruna. How many of you know Lalita Shastra? What is the first line? Can you chant? Arunam Karanam, right? Tarangidakshi. What is Aruna? The first sunlight, before sun rises, you will get a light. That's Aruna ray. That's called Aruna ray. His name is Aruna. Right? That sunlight, by the time that first 24 minutes, be ready for all the preparations and everything. The moment the sun rises, that's actually, it starts with red, dark red. Right? From dark red, it goes to light red, then dark orange, light orange, dark yellow, light yellow, and then white. When the sun rises, it actually reverses in the evening. Right? White into light yellow, light orange, dark orange, light red, dark red, and then sun sets. These are the two times we have to do the Surya Tama. Okay. If at all you cannot see it in the morning, you can do it in the evening. So either time is good, both time is very good. What do you need to do? You just stare the sun to start with. Okay. Stare the sun. How to stare the sun? Just stare the sun. Just don't close your eyes. Just stare the sun for 10 seconds. 10 seconds too much. You might think that something is larger. So to start with, first 10 seconds. Right? After 10 seconds, close the eyes for 5 seconds. It's basically 2:1. Right? When you're staring the sun without closing your eyes, you will see a ring, golden ring. You did that? You see? Without knowing it, their kids are doing it. Straight, yes. So it becomes a ring. Basically, the ring goes like this. Right? It's kind of a white ring. Right? Just enjoy it. The moment you start feeling that kind of a ring, then you feel that the sun is not a sun, it's kind of moon. The moment you start seeing the moon, you feel how you feel the moon, exactly the same. It becomes so cold. Actually, so you feel, the moment you start feeling that in your body, if at all possible, try to have as much as exposed body. Right? Because you have option to open the, close the door and expose the sun. That is why you see that people, a lot of people go outside and they stand in the sunlight and do it. This is one way of doing it. So the same thing you can do it in the evening. Okay. Even if you have a jacket, full jacket in the winter time, if at all the option you have in your home to see the sun with your jacket, it's okay. At least you are observing through your sun, through your eyes, right? You can do that. Continue to do that. So this is one way of doing it. So what happens if you cannot see the sun at all? Because my house is not, or something is blocking, house is not, light. Which light? Not the light, not the tube light, electric light, the lamp. No, the light, the oil lamp. Ask your mom, she knows. Have you ever used an oil lamp? Use that. Instead of sun, use that oil lamp. Right? Close the door. Sorry? No candle. Always oil lamp. Castor oil or sesame oil. It's the best. Or ghee. Right? So those are you can use. So use instead of sun, you can use that. What is it? Yes. Yes. Any questions on that?
You should be looking at the sun when the sun rises. After
Yeah.
that, right?
The moment the sun rises, even during the sunrise also you can see. Right? But stare. Stare the sun.
Still the sun.
Yes. Gaze and gazing. Yes. Any questions?
So if you miss those like
better not to stare.
That's not to stare.
But once you practice the actual sun gazing practices, so Surya Daman, then you can see the sun anytime, even the middle of the day. That's so powerful, so easy to see. Otherwise you feel that sun, watery and all. Initially you get the water, even in the morning time.
I tried to do it, but I did not know this very sun gazing, but I tried to do it like later on the day.
Oh, no.
That's not good, you're saying.
That's not advisable. Sorry. Yes. Not only moon, that is another big thing. Not only moon, you can go out and see the entire galaxy in the night. If you really want to do, you get the messages, you go and stand outside in the night, do nothing, just stare at the sky. Just stare. Look at the sky. Do it as much as possible. Talk to them. You will get the messages. Lot of messages. Yes, night time. Night. Right?
When we ask kids to see the diya, they don't get to see it, right?
Which one? Sorry.
During the winter time,
Winter time.
when we ask kids to see the diya, to concentrate, they won't see circle as they see sun. So
They get different.
they get it.
If you see it, it's like by the time you start looking at the diya, you will see a lot of things. See everything in the light, only in the eyes. You will see everything, but don't get fear. Be brave, accept it. Probably the people who attended the Vazhviyal, they know. You see so many things. Enjoy.
Diya also should be doing it in the morning, right?
Anytime.
Anytime is
Anytime.
So with diya also same thing like a 10 seconds stare it and then 5 seconds
Yes.
close the eyes?
Yes.
Look at the sun. Will it fade to purple? Like they
So you won't go further. Yeah, close eyes, you see a lot of things.
Yeah.
Just enjoy.
And then will it fade?
Yeah, once it's fade, then you can open. Oh, the diya, you mean 2 to 3 feet. 2 to 3 feet is good. Okay. When it will be a darker place. Morning, early morning or late evening is better. No, not minutes, 3 times. So within that 24 minutes, keep in mind, somebody was doing it for all the 24 minutes. No. Within that 24 minutes, just do only 3 times. Just only 3 times. Okay, there are other things like Surya Gayatri and all there, but don't try to complicate it. Make it very simple. Just 3 times. Stare the sun, close the eye, stare the sun, close the eye, stare the sun, close the eye. Done. Don't take even like 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Just do it. You don't have to do anything. That will take care of you. That gives you everything. And you can't imagine how much you get going to get. Seriously. It's very powerful. What is that? Yeah. 5 seconds. 2 is to 1. Yes, only those 24 minutes. 24 minutes before the sunrise, 24 minutes, 24 minutes after the sunrise, 24 minutes before the sunset. Right? When the sun turns to white, please better not to do. Yeah. Just give me a second, I will be back.